So hello everyone, this is Ashik, and in this video I'll walk you through an application which I built for Dev.to Postmark hackathon. So this application is called InboxMemory AI. So the idea of this application is basically you can forward an email, or say a forward email or whatever notes as an email, and then at a later point of time you can ask questions regarding the emails you have forwarded. So that's the general idea. I've hosted this in a link called KB Helper. So that is something which I had purchased this domain, and I didn't use that, so I thought why not use it for the hackathon. Yeah, so in order to get started, either you can sign up from here, or you can send a new email. The AI should detect your name from the email, and it will create a new user for you. Yeah, so basically it is AI at kbhelper.com, and say whatever the subject can be, like new user, and the subject doesn't need to be new user. The AI will figure that out. So but I'm just going to write the subject as new user. So hi, I am Ashik, I want to sign up. So I'm sending this email. I'm just going to wait for some time. The email needs to get processed, and it will create a new user for us. Refresh again. Yeah, now we have got a welcome email. So as you can see here, it has detected my name as Ashik, and it has created a new user, and it's saying welcome to InboxMemory AI. And now what we can do is we can forward an email or send some notes as an email, whatever. So I'm just going to find an email, say for example this cursor email. This is a forward email which I received. This seems like a new good one, I guess. So background agent, whatever. Let me forward that to AI, KB helper, AI at KB helper. So this is a forwarded email. I'm just going to send that. So it will take some time actually, since the email body is large. It should take some time, and it will get processed. How the embeddings will get will get generated, and it should save the embeddings and the text chunks in the vector DB. At a later point of time we can ask questions. So I'm just going to create a new email. I think it should get processed. It should probably send an email. The things are processed. I guess I should have added that, but yeah, let me send a question anyway. Question again. The Oh, what happened? I think it should have went to the drafts one. Yeah, again, the subject doesn't need to be question. It could be anything, but typing it as question, and I'm going to say what is cursor. Yeah. uh, ID maybe. Well, now we have received an email. Okay, the email was really too short. Cursor is an AI code editor. Okay, let me try some other email maybe. I think I forwarded the dev.to hackathon mail. Yeah, so now we have this dev.to hackathon challenge email. Let me forward this and ask a really good question maybe for now. So again, at AI at kbhelper.com, and I'm forwarding this email. And after this thing gets processed, we can ask a question like uh, what is the due date for, why not, I think it should have processed by now. Let me ask it anyway. Let me try refresh. Yeah, so now you can see the Postmark Inbox Innovators Challenge is running through June 1st. So as you can see, we got the response based on the email which we have forwarded. And also in the UI, you can do the same stuff. So my email is Ashik. So this is the same email which I used to sign in. Oh, okay, there is some network error. I'm not really sure what happened. Now it's working. Yeah, so if I go to my inbox, I should see an email with my verification code 89 whatever. So my OTP is verified, and now we should be able to see the emails which we have forwarded. So basically, if you know that, like, we forwarded two emails, the cursor email one, which I first forwarded, and later I forwarded the Postmark hackathon stuff. Yeah, so like I said, you can either ask the question from email like we asked here. You can see, like, what is the due date for hackathon. It replied the date. And now, say for example, you can ask some other question like what we can ask. Yeah, what is the price for the hackathon? Yeah, why not? So what is the price for hackathon? So if I ask that, the Postmark hackathon 3000 as price pool. Yeah, so, like, you saw the two places, either it's an email, and also from UI, you can do the same stuff. If you guys wanted to look in the code, maybe I can walk you through. So basically, this is the main route which gets hit from the Postmark API. I mean, you can see here, this is the inbound web hook URL, and this is my endpoint, which is /postmark. So this gets hit here, and I'm just getting the JSON data, which is the entire email with all those data, and I'm getting the sender email, email subject, text body, and HTML body, user data, and I'm trying to figure out whether he's a new user or a returning user. So if he's a new user, I will try to get the extract username using LLM and create a new user. And if he's not a new user, I'm trying to classify the email whether it's a forwarded email, a note, something like that. And if the intention is create a notes or a forward email, I will save that to embedding, generate embedding, and save it as vector, save it in vector db. If the intention seems to be like the user is asking a question, I'll try to create the vector db, vector search, and get relevant data, like the questions which we asked regarding Postmark hackathon. And after that, I'm trying to generate a HTML answer. So we get the answer as a string, and then I'm trying to generate an HTML answer and sending the same answer via email. Yeah, so that is it for the application InboxMemory. If you have stayed till here in the video, please like the video, and also please go to the post in Dev.to and leave a like there. It will be really helpful. Thank you.